In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume website with WordPress. Whether you're showcasing your professional experience or building an online presence, this tutorial will take you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is a reliable and widely used platform for building websites, offering both free and paid options depending on your needs. When you arrive at the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. The login button should be easy to spot at the top right corner of the page. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your website, from design to content and beyond. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your main workspace. Next, look for the Appearance option on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Click on it. This is where you can modify how your website looks and feels. The Appearance section is crucial because first impressions matter. A visually appealing resume website can set you apart from others. Now, let's move on to searching for a resume-specific theme. To do this, you'll need to find the Themes option under Appearance. There, you'll see a search bar where you can type in resume. This will bring up a selection of themes tailored to creating a professional resume website. WordPress offers a variety of themes, some of which are free, while others are premium. Choose one that best fits your professional needs and personal style. After selecting a theme, it's time to customize it. Click on the theme to begin editing. Here's where you can get creative. You can add your name, professional titles, a brief bio, and contact information. Additionally, you can include sections for work experience, skills, education, and even a portfolio if that's relevant to your field. Use the customization options to tweak colors, fonts, and layouts until it reflects your personal brand. Once you're satisfied with your edits, remember to save your changes and preview your website. This will give you a good look at how your online resume appears to visitors, ensuring everything looks polished and professional. And there you have it, a resume website made with WordPress, all set to help you make a great impression. With these easy steps, you're well on your way to boosting your professional presence online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides.